This 2024 Dynamax Corp isata 324 SSSFXM is a Class C RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dynamax Corp is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a champagne, carbon, Dusk interior, sleeps 3, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2024 Dynamax Corp isata 324 SSSFXM is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.